Welcome back! What are you doing this Valentine's Day? Kids and I decided to bake these heart-shaped cookies, and these are cookie recipes that we have been using again and again, and I have to make 2 batches this time because the kids love them so much and they love decorating the cookies. This is their favorite activity of all times. I decorated one while the rest were decorated by the kids. Can you guess which one is mine? And do check out my video on Royal Icing, how to make them, and then you can do this for your kids' activities as well. Throwback to last Christmas, the kids and nieces also did some Christmas themed cookies using this recipe. The cookies are crispy but a little bit soft at the middle, and this is how it looks like. Let me know if you try these cookies using the recipe in the comment below and show us how yours turn out. let's try using this circle cookie cutter. As you can see, the cut is so much cleaner and you can lift up easier when the dough is cold. Now use the top baking paper that we had earlier and drop these cookies down on this baking paper for baking later. Now repeat the same process with your other cookie cutters as quickly as possible. Tap it gently onto the baking paper. Let's try the Wilton cookie cutter. This is the plastic ones. I prefer metal ones in a sense because of the cleaner cut. But of course, these cookie cutters are also very cute to me. The heart shape, as you can see, is much rounder. It's just really super cute. As you can see, because of our warm temperature in Singapore, the dough now gets softened really quickly, and hence we have to just roll it again to the same thickness that we want and put it in the refrigerator for a bit. In the meantime, you can work on your second batch and repeat the same again for the remaining to get your cookies. If you place them too near to each other, you can see here that it will be sticking together like that, so please ensure they are apart when you're baking them. Once it's cooled on the tray, please transfer to a rack like this, and at the beginning the cookies will be very soft, so don't do it right after you took it out from the oven. Here we are, so many cookies, so enjoy baking, and I'm sure your kids will love this too.